When you start Blender, you'll always see this menu called the splash screen. From here, you can create a new file, open a previously saved file, or check information related to Blender. First, click anywhere outside the splash menu to hide it. Now, let's go through some initial settings you should adjust before getting started. From the top header menu, open the Edit menu, and then select Preferences at the bottom. First, let's increase the text size. Under the Interface section, you can adjust the resolution scale value to increase the size of the interface text. Set the text size to whatever you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll set it to 1.4. Next, go to the Key Map section and check the tab for Pie Menu option. This allows you to quickly switch between all modes by pressing the Tab button. I'll explain this in more detail in another chapter. Additionally, in the System section, go to Cycles Render Devices, select CUDA, and check GPU. Later, when we perform rendering, enabling this option will speed up the calculation process, so make sure to turn it on. That's it for the basic settings. Save your preferences and close the settings window. Now, let's go over one of the most important steps, saving your file. Go to the File menu and select Save or Save As. The hotkeys for these are Ctrl+S and Shift-Ctrl+S, respectively. Clicking this will bring up the Save screen, where you can save your file. Rename the file using the bar at the bottom, then click the Save Blender File button to complete the process. To open a saved file, go to the File menu and select Open. The hotkey for this is Ctrl+O. From there, select the file you previously saved and it will open.